Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to disable automatic updates. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your start menu over here and just simply search for run. So just type it over here, run. And after that, just simply open it up. And now guys, I want you to type in services.msc. So just simply go ahead and provide this one and click on OK. And after that, from here guys, you should be able to see here this tab. So just simply go ahead and select one of these and tap on your keyboard W. And now here, once you are on W, just simply look out for Windows Update over here. So just simply scroll down, and as you can see, this is the Windows Update. So just simply go ahead and right click on it. And after that, just simply go to Properties. And guys, make sure to go for the Start Up type and make sure it is on disabled over here. And after that, just simply click on Apply and click on OK. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.